Alright guys, so this video we're gonna show you one amazing stuff. We will change the rocket clamp here instead of the original clamp at the VDM electric scooter. Okay, so first we have to disconnect the screws here. Use some tools. Okay. Okay, so it's easy to took the screws, and after that we have to disconnect these clamps here, and then moving this part, we can took the steams. We can took the steams. Okay, so the steam can be lifted. Right, so we have to took the original clamps here, and we can even have a compare. Our rocket clamp is so heavy. Okay, so after moving the original clamp, we will install this rocket clamp here, going through the steams at a suitable place. Okay, so remember we have a metal piece here, putting here. Okay, after that, we will install the steams, putting down, find a suitable place, then we have to screw it again. Okay, last job. We have to tighten the screws. Okay. All right. So finally, we just have to tighten the clamps here. Be careful. We also have a screw at the middle. We have to tighten them up. Okay. So finally done.